video. Hello, in this video you will learn how to create a material using a material image from a manufacturer website. So I have an example of interface carpet. So these are carpet tiles, and so before I create the material in Revit, I need to prepare, download the image from the website. The interface has different floor materials, and the biggest one is like carpet tile. We use carpet tile a lot in workplace, so I will have that as an example. And so when you go to carpet tile page, you can see each one, one item, one product installed in an area. And the website I showed you earlier, that one is a pattern that they created for designers. I think I got that one under design, maybe floor designs. Yeah, floor designs. And there are examples, and the one that I have is this one, so I will use this one as an example. So what you're gonna do is download image. Okay, so you have this better quality image, but the first thing before we download this one in our folder, the thing that you need to figure out is how big this one is. So you can see how the space it is installed. So you can see how big this whole thing is, right? But to to understand how big it is when it is installed, this whole thing, you need to calculate. So this one, so this is this one. So when you go to change the color, but when you go to the site that introduced this one, you can see the dimension. So it is 25 centimeter by 1 meter. So over here it is 1 meter. This way it is 25 centimeter, and you can calculate based on this number. So I think you can Google it to calculate. So 1 meter is a little over 3 feet, and 25 centimeter is little less than a foot. Okay, so keep in mind about that. Have that dimension somewhere, write down. And this one, you can count how many there are. Maybe which one will be the better one to count? Maybe this one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is about 5, right? Five of them. And I saw it's a better line to count. Maybe over here. So over here I can count that. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So about 5 this way, and you can count. So each one is 25 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 by 24, it is 24. 20 by 24. So you can calculate that. Is it? I think it is 5 meter this way, and you can do 5. I think it is about 5 meter that way. So it may be square. So 5 meter by 5 meter. You can Google that. I thought it was 5.2, but if it is 5. Then it is 16.4 feet. So you can use that number. I will just round it to 16.5 feet square. So calculate that so you know the dimension of it. Okay. So after that, what you're gonna do is like prepare the folder. So if I have like Revit folder over here, it is Revit assignment, and if this is the folder that you're saving your Revit file, create materials folder here. Okay, materials folder here, and save all the materials here. So one that I downloaded earlier. Oops. So that was the interface carpet tile pattern that they created. So over here, that is this one. And so I have this pattern, and so I can use this one for the material. So that's how you download the material and understand, figure out the dimension of it, because that is important. And another thing is like when we do the specification, we need to know more information. So like for each one, it is better to have like URL for each one, but that is another story. That is more about material specification. So I will skip that part. I will just focus on like how to create this one in Revit. So that is prepared. So make sure, like this is really important, that you create the materials folder where this project file, the Revit file is saved, and include like download all the materials over here. You can name that whatever you want, but it is very important that you download every material here and do not move.